Now pay attention to this video. This is important. So I have open here a chart, Microsoft. How do I change charts and what can I do with that feature? So we can access the symbol search by typing, let's type AAPL. And you see here the symbol search panel open without me clicking anything else. And you get a bunch of results here. You get Apple versus the US dollar, other exchanges, Apple direction 2 times ETF on Binance, Coinbase. You see all this mess here. That's because you have selected here all, but we can specify what we want. If we go Apple stocks, then we get all Apple stocks everywhere. But again, it's a lot. So we can further specify all countries. You can choose. You can see all countries here. Obviously, let's click NASDAQ. And this is where Apple trades on the NASDAQ, but also includes here structured products. So you see the depth. But the obvious one comes first. If we click here, it will load the Apple chart. We can also click funds, futures, forex. There is no Apple in forex, only currencies here. On crypto, we can find all tokenized shares of Apple, Apple indices, bonds, the economy. This is where economic indicators stay, and options. So if we click here, this panel will open and it will be options by Apple. So expiry date of August, September, October, November. We can move more forward to further expiries. We go to the leaps area then, and by clicking on the call here or the put, the chart of the option will open. So that's kind of one of TradingView's hidden features, but there's also another hidden feature here. You see this show spread operators, division, subtraction, addition, multiplication, exponentiation, and reciprocal. So that means Apple divided by MSFT, and I press enter, and this is what I get. You see Apple divided by MSFT. So we can get a ratio. Let's go back to the symbol search. Let's do plus MSFT, enter, and now it's an addition. So you can let your fantasy go wild. You can play with these tools. Apple, let's do minus MSFT. So maybe we have a spread bet on, maybe we have complicated ways of following the market. Maybe we have our own theories. So this is Apple minus MSFT. I haven't played much with the exponentiation or the reciprocals, all these, whatever. So symbol search can give you a lot of things. I just went to economy now with nothing in the search. By the way, in the symbol search area, you can search for symbol, ISIN number, QSIP numbers. So ISIN is the international serial identification number of a security. QSIP is a similar thing, but a different type of serial number. So here we can use symbol search to add economic indicators. I won't waste your time with this. I'll create another video where we can work with economic indicators on TradingView. So this is how you can use symbol search like a pro on TradingView. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.